Neoprene. It insulates, it seals, it resists. From the sea to the sky, from rooftops to turbines, CR rubber holds its ground. CR stands for Chloroprene rubber, better known by its trade name Neoprene. Developed in the 1930s by DuPont, it was among the first truly synthetic rubbers, engineered to overcome the weaknesses of natural rubber and deliver balanced performance across multiple fronts. What sets neoprene apart is its versatility. It doesn't just resist one threat, it manages a bit of everything. Weather and ozone, moderate oils and greases, heat and flame, even many industrial chemicals such as refrigerants and coolants. Under flexing, twisting, and repeated compression, it stays stable and keeps sealing. That's why neoprene shows up in places that rarely share the same environment. It is used in wetsuits for use in the ocean, where it traps a thin layer of water and retains body heat while resisting salt, UV, and abrasion. In electrical systems, it sheathes cables and wiring harnesses, guarding against UV, oils, and mechanical wear. In plants and buildings, it seals pumps, valves, and HVAC equipment, insulating under pressure and vibration. And in safety-critical parts, its self-extinguishing behavior adds an extra layer of protection when flame resistance matters. There's a feel to neoprene, too. Dense and resilient, it damps vibration without giving up elasticity, maintaining contact pressure where a seal can't afford to relax. It resists hardening with age, and it keeps performing long after cheaper elastomers lose their edge. But neoprene isn't perfect. It struggles with strong acids and aggressive hydrocarbons like gasoline or aromatic solvents. And above about 120 degrees Celsius, it begins to degrade, which limits its role in sustained high heat zones. Still, for countless real-world applications, neoprene strikes a rare balance. Not too soft, not too stiff, not too limited, not too expensive. It's the middleweight champion of rubber, built for moderate duty, high value, and long service life. And when oil resistance becomes mission-critical, when fuels and hydraulic fluids define the environment, engineers reach for something tougher. The next chapter takes us there. NBR.